Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I am going to be deep cleaning my car.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Actually, I need a light on me. Okay, and this light, let me take a look. This light is like $3 at like Walmart or Target, I forgot which place. But yeah, today I'm gonna be deep cleaning my car. I'm not gonna be like doing the seats, like cleaning the seats, because I don't have that tool and I feel like that would be expensive. So I'm just gonna go to the car wash, do it yourself car wash, spray my tires because they're really dirty, and clean the junk from inside the car. I might spray the mats too. It's depending on what I want to do. But yeah, I'm taking along you with me on the journey. So I'm gonna get dressed real fast and then I'm gonna be on my way to the car wash. Guys, a little OOTD outfit of the day. I have this shirt I got from Five Below actually. Don't sleep on them. And then I have just these pants I got from I think they were Target or TJ Maxx, one of them. Then I have Nikes. And then I don't know if it's hot or cold, so we're about to see. And I will change if it's too cold. Okay. Actually guys, so first I have to get some money. I'm gonna use all change that I've been saving for this adventure fund thing. This actually I got out Five Below as well. Don't sleep on them. But yeah, I'm gonna get the quarters out of here and then we're gonna be on our way. Okay guys, so that's the light I was talking about. It just lights up. Okay, that's not important. Okay guys, so I got $5 in quarters. So now we're on our way. So we made it to our destination. Does my hair look messed up? Who guessed? So we're here. Got the soap. I've never done actually I have done it. I haven't done a do-it-yourself in a minute, so I will just have to see if I'm good at this. Let's turn off the car and let's go. First thing I should do is roll up the windows maybe. And let's see how much it costs. $2.50? Yeah, I have enough. Then I'm also gonna use the vacuums. Should I vacuum first, guys? No, we're gonna wash first. But yeah, let's roll up the windows. Double check the back ones. Okay. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, it just started. So we're gonna put it on foam brush, maybe. Oh, soap, foam brush. What is the difference? We'll see. Put my keys down. Okay, I think this is the foam brush. I'm gonna put you guys down before I can get the full money's worth, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so now we're gonna do rinse. Guys, I have 2 minutes. Is this a game? Okay, so at this time, I realized that the rinse was a little too slow. So then I went to put it on skirt, full blast, if you know what I'm saying. So that's what's happening now. So you're gonna see me blasting my tires in my car. Okay, guys. So I don't know how much y'all saw, but 5 minutes was not enough. Cause look at my tires. Unless this is just stained. No, this could have got off. Guys, should I do my card and do another 5 minutes? Cause like, this can come off, but it wasn't. We're gonna do another 5 minutes, okay? Okay, so if you're wondering what's going on, so I was trying to get the dirt off my rims and they weren't coming off. I don't know why, but they weren't. So I then spent another $250 and did another 5 minutes just for them to still be dirty. But that's what you're watching right now if you were confused from the last clip. Yeah. So right now I have a minute and dirt is not coming off these rims. That's annoying. So I'm gonna try to blast it one more time. Okay guys, that was good enough. The tires still didn't get clean, but I guess I can wipe them with the rag. That's annoying, but let's see. Okay guys, so I just did all that and I realized I don't have towels. But we have protection wipes for the inside, so we're just gonna go to the vacuums, let it air dry. Is that gonna look bad? Hopefully not. But yeah, so the vacuums I think is just around the corner. So let's do that. Okay y'all, so the vacuums is only $1. Thank you, after they just had me spending like $5 on the rents. But yeah, I don't have towels. That's annoying. I could use this. My Walmart vest. As I get, okay, we're not gonna do that. But yeah, let's clean out the inside. That's what we can do. This angle's good for now. So let's get started. Shall we? Let's take wipes, and I'm gonna start cleaning the inside. Just wiping stuff down. We're not gonna be doing that. Okay guys, so right now, let's aim it towards me. So right now I'm about to vacuum. I cleaned up almost up here. Like it wasn't that dirty, but the floor is atrocious. Atrocious? 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 Atrocious. Whatever the word is. But yeah, let's do that. And yes, it is hot outside, so I am busting up a sweat. That was all my time. At least I have another $1 road started again. But I'm gonna get all the trash from back here first, because there is a lot for some reason. And then there's an umbrella. Let's get the trash. that I'm thinking about it, I should have took out the floor mats and washed them. Too late. No, but I always think about things after it's over. Okay guys, so I just got done vacuuming and cleaning everything off and wiping everything down. The car is pretty much cleaner. So much cleaner, as I should say. Oh, why'd I do that? Okay, well, the car is so clean now. I'm gonna put in a little slow-mo or a little video to show you how much cleaner. Okay guys, so I finally got my tires clean. There we go. I couldn't get the seats clean because I obviously don't have that. I don't have that vac tool, so I wasn't able to do that. But with what I could do, I feel like this was a successful video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. Yeah. So, bye.